So when a trailer is first moved into my area, fill the freshwater tank full of water. Start testing appliances that are on the inside. You make sure that the voltmeter is working. You make sure the freshwater tanks, all 3 of them are working. You've taken light the cooktop, check all the 12 volts, all the USBs and the 120 outlets. Check all inside the cabinets, make sure that they are clean, completed, and have what they need on the inside. Walk around the outside, make sure all the snap caps have their caps. Make sure that the silicone is properly placed, or if it's missing, that somebody puts it on there. Then you also check lights. If it has a camera, you make sure that camera is working. And then if it has a wireless brake controller, you make sure that's responding to the signal that it's getting. 15-minute shower. It checks for water leaks. It checks to see, make sure the seals on the air conditioner and the windows and your max fan, you make sure that no water coming inside.